Let's check the sound as usual. And in a few minutes we are getting started. So let's start from our news observation. And for today it's quite calm. There are no any news with 3 stars. But the most important is a FOMC member speaks. Usually it brings some volatility to the market. But anyway, for today, I think it's gonna be okay, especially on I really want to talk about this. And let's see the graphical of BTC, try to do some analytical aspects to do the analysis. As during the previous streams, I told you that I was really waiting the BTC to make a deep correction, and I just stressed out the most important, the most powerful and strong levels from where I was waiting the BTC to make correction to. The first level was the middle of this structure. I mean the market profile level. Usually it's very strong huge player who protects such levels of consolidation where they usually accumulate their position. And the middle of this consolidation is usually coincides with their average entry point. That's why this level is being protected extremely strong. The next level I was expected to consider as strong one is the FIBO level 0.618. This level, the middle of this impulse. So let's trace out both levels, and there was the two extremely important levels from where I was waiting the BTC to pull back again towards the uptrend movement. And I was quite surprised when the BTC even several percent missed the touch of this level and turned back. And it was quite active. It tried to assault 25,000, and I really believe that that was enough for correction. And now we are looking for local consolidation here. I mean, the first touch, the second touch, the third, and we will be assaulting 25 again. And this will be quite solid sign of alt season. We usually call it. I mean that the long run and the bullish market. But still, it's the only analysis. Let's watch what it should be. If there are no any news about some negative economical outcomes, I think we are gonna break this level. And on this background, we should wait the long movements on other altcoins. So let's try to find something to trade. Today I published the signal in our C-Scalp free setups channel, where I noticed that it's gonna, just a moment, sorry. Just a moment, sorry, some problems with connection. So okay, from Ethereum USDT, I'm waiting for the breakout of this inclined level on the background of BTC growth. In case the BTC is gonna trade around this level, 25,000, I mean, we're gonna break this slope on Ethereum. And please be careful because it's going to be very sharp. And please open the trade only on high activity. LDO USDT, the next instrument that looks really good, but from the very beginning, when then I was gonna break this level, the instrument really lacked some daily volumes, but now it's enough, and we're really ready for the breakout because it's quite a classical model when we have the increase of minimums towards the strong level that were tested several times, and the next time it will be broken. I'm almost sure. So place this instrument on your working space and be aware. Always watch the activity and watch the entry point in your order book. RVN is inside quite long consolidation within 15 minutes time frame, and as you see, 1 hour as well. I really like such consolidation because the breakout from such consolidation is always powerful, and our mission is just not to miss it. I believe that there will be the continuation of this, this movement. I mean, we had the uptrend movement, then we have kind of box where the power of huge player accumulating the huge player accumulating the positions here, and then we gonna have the continuation of this movement. But the small advice, those who have quite huge capitals, I really prefer trade such continuation of trend movements on spot, because in futures it's gonna be a lot of manipulations, a lot of liquidity grabs before the breakout. There will be many such kinds of price rolling back many times, and only then we will continue to growth after we will get rid of many speculators hunting for their stop losses. But when we are sure enough that finally it will come, I really prefer just opening spot position and grabbing finally some profit. AVAX USDT, the same situation, but here we have two outcomes. If BTC is gonna go down towards this level again after maybe some negative news, for this case we have AVAX that we could trade both sides. I stressed out the signal levels, the strong levels to break, but in both cases we need some consolidation. For example, it's a 15 minutes time frame, 45 millions daily volume, not so high, but around the borders it will increase and show some power before the breakout. Or in case BTC will continues to grow, it will show something like this. So place it on your working space. The USDT is more likely to grow on fundamental factors because I know that more and more Elon Musk and many other huge figures talking a lot about the DOGE, and that's not that's a quite good sign, and I believe on the history it worked out extremely well, and I believe that DOGE will, from a technical point of view, it still lacks some volume, but I'm waiting DOGE to test this level to go into a short consolidation on the upper border of this block, of this box, as I usually call it. I mean just huge consolidation, and finally it break out in case there are no any restrictions in form of negative news and so on. UNFI USDT, a very good situation, but unfortunately there was a fake breakout. Anyway, the same story when we should use this. We can take advantage of this situation because we see that the breakout is gonna be, and the best solution is to take this movement on spot, because on spot you are protected against any manipulation. Just load your position and close it after the breakout, placing limit orders. In futures, it's much more dangerous. And here, unfortunately, we already get rid of some liquidity there, and for this reason, we need some more time to consolidate, to repeat this breakout again, but with much more power. So we just wait. Ethereum Classic, another one example of quite long consolidation before the breakout. All these examples of RVN, AVAX, ETC are requiring us to wait and be patient. And those who are patient enough will be awarded with quite good movement. In this case, I really recommend placing several alarm levels to be ready before the breakout, because the breakout's gonna be quite well. On the background of BTC, when it's ready to break out, I think all these altcoins that are staying inside these consolidations, preparing for the breakout, they will probably follow the BTC. So be ready not to miss such opportunities. Thank you for your attention for the stream. See you soon.